it's Kenny the Happiness Man. The first of my 3 simple daily happy habits is you do the happy wave. Well, here it is. This is how you do the happy wave. And you do it to yourself every morning in your bathroom mirror like this, and you say, "Hey, good looking, what you got cooking?" Or, "I'm just too good to be true." Or, "I'm on my way today, from misery to happiness today." So, as you know now, the first of my 3 simple daily happy habits is do the happy wave, which is all about having daily fun with people. We've looked at doing it with yourself in your bathroom mirror in the morning, every morning, and saying good things to and about yourself.
Do daily funny wave and show it all around. That's like, oh no, see? I knew.
G'day, mate.
G'day, mate.
You do the happy wave, happy show it all around. That's what it's all about. Oi!
G'day, mate.
There you go, mate!